Hi boaters, here's Jeff Cote with PYS. I'm sharing a little bit of my enthusiasm for Seattle Boat Show. Are doing a Seattle Boat Show Connect this year during this interesting 2021. All of us share the passion and the joy of attending these boat shows in person. Unfortunately here right now, it's not possible. It's not in the cards. So we're all trying to make do with what's there, right? We are here at PYS participating in this Connected Boat Show. The dates for the Connected Boat Show are from basically Thursday, January 28th to Sunday, January 31st. And we're actually presenting the same presentation twice, but here's the take. We've actually pre-recorded the presentation and we're going to be online while the presentation is happening. And this is happening on Thursday, January 28th. We've never done this before at 6 p.m. where the presentation is going to be distributed to all of you, but I will be online answering questions on the forum while I'm talking. So I will be in two places at the same time, twice the boating. So we're going to do that on Thursday, January 28th at 6 p.m. And we're also going to be doing on Saturday, January 30th at 4 p.m. Please, if you've got an opportunity, join us on this presentation. It's a way for all of us to share our passion for boating. We're going to be talking about marine electrical and how to go about designing and figuring out an electrical system for your boat. And I want to thank everyone for the opportunity of maybe joining us on that call, and wishing all of us a good and healthy 2021. Thanks so much. Jeff out.